16 minus 2.863 times 1. 16 minus 2 will give us 14. Then 14.863 times 1. We solve our parentheses. 3 times 1 is 3. Then we have 14 times 3. 40 times 3 will give us 42. 42 is the wrong answer to this expression because we did not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from your left to your right in order to arrive in a very correct answer. Let's solve the right answer to this expression. First of all, we work with our parentheses, which is 3 times 1. 3 times 1 is 3. Then we put down our 16 minus 2 times 3. Remember, if a number is close to a parenthesis, there's a multiplication sign in between, which is this multiplication here. We have a subtraction and a multiplication here. We first of all work with our multiplication because it comes first before subtraction. 2 times 3 will give us 6. Then we have 16 minus 6. 16 minus 6 is 10. 10 is the right answer to this expression. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.